Oh yeah, first vid. And yet again. Okay. Oh, I guess I gotta open it, right?
Maybe. No.
Damn, mosquitoes are crazy.
Why are you so
Am I supposed to spray or what?
Huh?
Alright, I'm gonna rev it so you can start it up. You can start it or what? You can start it? Yeah. It's on?
Good.
Your new V-dub.
So you can see
Sheesh.
it's off the tracks.
Nice. Woohoo! Damn. She's on. What is it? What year is it?
2012.
Woo. Damn. Badass. Oh, what's up with the windshield or what?
Well, I just got it replaced, bro.
Oh. Oh, I thought he hadn't done it yet.
No,
oh.
he just left. I just got to my house. I just sat down and you called her.
Oh, you hear the motor?
Yeah. So I think it just fell off the rails. So I think if we just pop off this, maybe we can resit it and it'll be good.
Damn.
That's my
Yeah, maybe.
That's
my story and I'm sticking to it.
I started it. I took that piece off.
Oh, the trim right here?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Oh,
No, look at the seat.
Oh, no.
Because of all the
Got wet?
rain, yeah.
Oh, it's okay. We can buy one of those vacuums with the water.
And I was able to take off like a tab over here, but I don't have the tools for it, so.
All right.
And then, as you can see, the headliner.
Oh, what happened to it? No.
The whole thing like came down.
Oh, man. What year is this again?
2012.
Jesus.
But I think it's because that window was down.
Yeah, that didn't help it.
And then the heat.
All right, let's open the back. Oh. How do you? Oh, you probably okay. Interesting. I've never seen that before. It's my first V-dub.
So in the 2015, 2017, the pop-up has the reverse camera.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And then it's also to open it. There's a guy on YouTube that sells the pop-up hood and then the radio, like so that way you have the view capability of the reverse camera
nice.
for $300.
Huh?
When most people are selling the pop-up camera for $500.
Jeez, man. It looks clean in here. I mean, it's got a vacuum.
Yeah.
What'd you get in the bottom?
Dirt here. I mean, it has a spare tire.
Woo! Dang. Cool.
And then
I guess put the jumper cables in there.
that's something.
Or just drive it around a little bit. What is that?
I don't know.
Okay.
Looks like they've installed something to hook on there.
Oh, okay. Cool. Carbon fiber or wood? Let's go.
Well, they have some an adapter where you replace these out, and then you can pop this with your key fob.
Oh, okay.
So it's eventually a mod that I'll do.
Man, dude, I wonder if they have lights up here, like that you could put. I would hope for sure, because I mean, it's like mine where I don't have anything.
And then the only other thing that I have to replace, well, two other things, that side trim on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Some there.
Woo, those rims though, they're nice.
Right? They're not bad.
I like them.
Compared to the original, have you seen the original ones? They're like the circle ones.
Oh, no, not really.
Look at the mirror.
Woo, vintage.
It's tied down, bro.
Oh my god.
So I had to replace that. I found it online for $70.
Okay, cool.
And then it was crashed, so this was crashed.
Okay.
And then you can see this was rolled in.
Oh man. Sheesh. Cool.
But the saving grace is that the replacement bumpers don't come with this, and this is actually still good.
Badass.
So I was lucky that it was just a corner piece.
All right, it looks good. Sheesh. Rain X wipers, watch out. Wow, it looks cool. Looks good.
Not bad, bro.
Damn.
I like it.
Hell yeah. What do you think? You gonna start your channel or what?
We'll see.
Or you want me to put this on no winning?
Put on no winning.
Sheesh. V-dub. Welcome to the fam.